Hey, it's Griff, the best looking tech. Anyways, hey, I'm here to show you how to cheat the 5.4 Ford oil pump. If you have a 5.4, chances are you're like every other 5.4 owner, unhappy, a dry bank account, and possibly a wife that's very unhappy that you bought a Ford instead of a nice Dodge Ram or a Chevy Duramax. Anyways, if you're unfortunate enough to be one of these people, I'm here to lay some gold at your feet, no charge. Here's what we got. We want to cheat the oil pump. We don't want to pull the oil pan. So, when you went and took the chains off and everything, you should have made sure that you had everything at top dead center, which means you should have this tool. If you don't have it, go buy it and get it from your Mac or Snap-on guy. Don't run and hide from him because you don't want to pay the bill. Just pay him what you owe him and go ahead and get the tool. All right? Anyways, take apart your old oil pump. This guy here. Take the center part of it. Remember, it has to be in the exact right position. Go ahead and place it on here, like so. Spin it till it lines up. Then, oh, there it is, went all the way on, okay? When you're looking at it, you can see that the position I've got it in has that red mark, that key, that tooth. It's sticking straight up at 12 o'clock, okay? When the oil pump is on the vehicle, this part right here is at the 12 o'clock position. Unfortunately, when you put the oil pump on, you can't put it on in pieces. You have to put it on as this whole assembly. So, and if you don't have it lined up right, it's not going on there. It's only gonna go one way. And it's not the kind of thing you can just beat on there. So, go ahead. Here's my old one. And you can see it's got these little teeth here. So we know that it was in the 12 o'clock position. Here we go. Right at 12 o'clock, and you can see that doing so, that these teeth here line right up. So as long as I don't disturb the center of this, it should slide right on. It should. You know, it's like communism. It works in theory. When we do this, make sure you take a zip tie and pull down that, don't pull it too hard, but tie that oil pickup tube out of the way, all right? Anyways, try not to bang the center of this. And slide this guy right on here. There we go. Seat it all the way on. There, you cut the zip tie. You go ahead and put your bolts back in. You may want to get one of the double flex head 8 millimeters to get these bolts out, and don't drop them or you will be pulling the oil pan. Anyways, so hopefully this helped you out, and you can go back to making money doing some gravy work. So look, if you like this, please give us a like. If you have any questions about this, ask them. And if you need help on anything else, or there's something that you would like to see a video on, you'll leave in the comments section. Let us know, and if we can help, then we will do so. Anyways, until next time, I'll see you later.